Mom, can I have a friend over?
I'm surprised you have any.
I'm surprised you have a husband, bitch! Get the fuck away from me! I'm allergic to greens and will not participate in this. Well, I deserve a treat after that running.
Save a little food for the rest of us, fat ass.
Bold talk for someone whose bones sound like Rice Krispies every time they stand up. Snap, crackle, pop, bitch.
Ooh, girl, my hair is given today, period.
Oh, dear, that hair ain't real.
Mind your own fucking business, you raggedy old bitch. Worry about your time on Earth, the fuck?
Jesus, take the wheel!
Fuck you, bitch, learn how to drive.